Why do the nations rage and the peoples plot a vain thing? The kings of the earth take a stand against Yahweh and against his anointed. Let's break their bonds apart. He who sits in the heavens will laugh. Then he will speak to them in his anger. Yet I have set my king on my holy hill of Zion. You are my son, today I have become your father. Ask of me, and I will give the nations. You shall break them with a rod of iron. Be wise, you kings, be instructed. Serve Yahweh with fear, rejoice with trembling. Blessed are all those who take refuge in him.